Hey friends, it's Mrs. Davis. I hope you are all doing well. We are going to be working on double-digit addition today again, even into the triple digits too. So remember this, addition with regrouping is not tricky but easy to do. So here's a little rhyme to help you. Put your tens up high and your ones down low, add them all together and you're ready to go. So, for example, 5 and 8 isn't just 3, it's 13. So we write that 3 and bring that new 10 over. And then we add the tens. 1 plus 4 plus 1, which equals 6. We're going to be working on that all day today, friends. Let's practice this problem. Tom walked 148 steps from the bus to his school. He walked 175 steps from his school to the playground. How many total steps did Tom walk? So we're going to use these numbers, and 148 and 175, and set them up in a place value chart where the ones line up and the tens line up, 4 and 7, and the hundreds line up as well. And then step 2, we're going to add the ones. Regroup only if you need to, okay? So we know that 8 plus 5 is 13, so we're going to write that 3 and bring that new 10 over. Okay, because it's not just 3, it's 13. After we've added the ones, then we're going to add the tens. So we have 4 plus 7, which is 11, plus that 1. Don't forget that new 1 we made, which is 12. So we're going to write that 2 and bring that new 100 over because we had 12 tens. And so we keep the 2 and bring that new 100 over that we made. And then step 4, we're going to add the hundreds. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. So the sum is that Tom walked 323 total steps. Let's practice doing this one together. Anna's class raised $357 for a school trip. Ethan's class raised $293. How much money did the two classes raise in all? So to find out how much money was raised in all, you need to, when it says in all, we need to add. So we would write that. And we're going to use the place value. I like to circle my numbers and put them in the place value chart. So we have 357 and 293. Step 1, remember, start with the ones. Step 1. Add the digits in the ones place. Will you need to regroup? Yes, because 7 plus 3 isn't just 0, it's actually 10. Okay, now add the digits in the tens place. Will you need to regroup? Yes. We have 9 plus 1, which makes it 10. And add that extra 5, which is 15. So we write that 5 and bring that new 100 over. And then finally, we're going to add the digits in the hundreds place to get our sum. And I know that 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. So the two classes raised $650 in all, friends. All right, go on into Schoology, friends, and try to figure out these next 5 questions that I have for you for today. Good luck. Let me know if you need any help. Thanks, friends.